Back to the channel, everyone. Thanks for tuning in again. Today we're going to be working with strings. We're going to be doing a couple things: string concatenation and string interpolation. So let's jump right into it. IEX to start our interactive Elixir console, and want to create two strings. Let's call this string A contains A and string B contains B. And say we want to put those two strings together, we can say A, and this is the symbol we use for string concatenation in Elixir. We use the lesser than sign and the greater than sign like that, B, and that puts both our strings together. And there's also string interpolation, which can also be used to put strings together. So how that works is like this. Let's create a string, and we want to use the hashtag and two curly braces, and between those two curly braces we want to put a variable. We can put our A variable, and we can see that our A, we get back our A string. And now beside, if we go back up and we want to put B beside it, we can actually, pardon me, put that hashtag, curly braces, and we can put our next variable here, B, and there we go. And that's all for string interpolation and string concatenation. Remember, I'll be putting out a video every day for about the next week, so stay tuned. Got a lot of helpful tips coming out, and we'll go through the entire basic Elixir course. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Please hit the notification bell, subscribe, and like the video, and let me know if you guys want to see something specific. Till next time.